In this module, we will see HSD fuel basics. What is HSD? High speed diesel. But what is that? Definition: high speed diesel fuel for high speed engines. It is meant for high speed engines. What is the RPM? Revolutions per minute should be more than 750 RPM. Common uses. What are the uses of HSD? Diesel generators, trucks, buses and cars. All locomotive vehicles and diesel generators. Then what is the key difference? Different from LDO. Now just like HSD, it is LDO, light diesel oil. That is also available, which is light. You know, while refinery, what happens? At the bottom, heavy oils, then light, then comes your diesel, then high speed diesel, then your petrol, and then your, what is that? High speed petrol, or what you call it as a plane, which is used for planes. Okay, so that is how that fractionating column. We will not go into detail, but this is how this differentiation is there. High speed diesel and light diesel oil used in slow speed engines. Now, what is the origin? Petroleum products derived from crude oil refining. Okay, I just told you. Now, key fuel properties that matter. Cetane number, ignition quality indicator, that is ignition quality indicator. Range 48 to 55, Indian standards IS 1416. This is as per Indian standard. You can just check as per your country what are the standards for Cetane number. Okay. Now, high is equal to better ignition, smoother running. If you want smooth running, then this should be high. At the petrol pumps as well, high speed diesel or diesel categories are there. Okay, they sell it at a higher premium prices. Because of this, it will have better ignition and smooth running. Low cetane is equal to hard starting, knocking and smoke. Nobody wants this because it can harm your engine. So low cetane is harmful. Flashpoint, temperature at which fuel vapors ignite. Fuel vapors are there while compression, you know that. Minimum 35 degrees Celsius as per IS 1416. So 35 degree Celsius. Safety indicator, too low, fire hazard. If it is too low, less than this, it can be fire hazard because it can flame the diesel quickly whenever there are high temperature conditions like in deserts and all. So it is fire hazard. Now it should not be low. Then, and it can start or ignite our stroke early also if flash point is low. So that is also important. In our 4-stroke cycle, we have seen this flash point is very much important so that proper power stroke will happen at the right moment. Now, what is pour point? Temperature at which fuel stops flowing. Maximum is what? 6 degrees for summer and 0 degrees for winter. So this is the temperature at which fuel will stop flowing. Now, important for cold regions. This you should note it, where if you are in cold region, your diesel generators are located in cold regions. This is very much important. Otherwise, if fuel will not flow, I need not to tell you what will happen. Okay, no fuel, no DG. Simple. Now, viscosity and density. And why? This is very much important. See, kinematic viscosity. See, viscosity means how your fuel is flowing on any surface. See, fuel flow resistance, that is viscosity in simple terms. Any resistance for the fuel flow. It depends on the fuel quality. Range 2.0 to 4.5 C at 40 degrees Celsius. CST is the unit for that. Okay. Too high, poor automation, injector problems. If it is too high, there will be injector problems and poor automation will be there. Then too low, automatically fuel will not flow. Then too low, pump wear and leakage. If it is too low, pump will wear, okay, and leakages will be there, because if smooth surface, the fluid is not smooth, it will scratch the surface of your pump wear and it will wear the pump, and leakages will be there. Because of that wear, leakage will happen. So that is why viscosity is very much important, kinematic viscosity, and that is why we should know the polishing and all those things of diesel, how it is done. Then density range is from 820 to 860 kilogram per meter cube at 15 degrees centigrade. So this is range of density. How much dense? Density is very much important. When you visit petrol pump, fuel density is indicated. Okay, this is for diesel. Just go and check what is the fuel density at your nearby petrol pump, petrol station. So what density does? It will affect the combustion and power output. Then used in volume to weight conversions. This density is used in volume to weight conversion. And weight, money. Okay, so this is very much important. It should be as per this. Otherwise, you are purchasing low quality fuel at higher price. Okay, that is why density is very much important, and they are indicating it on petrol stations, gas stations. Now, fuel quality standards. Indian standard IS 1460. Okay, specifications for automotive diesel fuels. It is as per my country, India. Parameters: cetane, sulfur, flash point, density, etc. These parameters are mentioned in IS 1460. Then ASTM D 975. This is international standards. You should follow. Okay. Automatically this will comply. This international standards are above all the standards. Then American standard for diesel fuel, grade D and 2D classifications. So these are the standards you should refer. Then British standards, BS 2869, categories A1, A2, automotive, D for general purpose. So these are just the quality standards you should know.